Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to turn on comments on YouTube on phone. So the first step is to simply install YouTube Studio on your phone and then simply tap on open, and then you have to simply log into your YouTube account. Then you have to simply tap on any of your videos, then tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, and then simply tap on more options, and then simply tap on comments. And as you can see, you have three different options. So you have on, pause, and off. So simply select on and then simply tap on comment moderation, and as you can see, you have different options here. So none, don't hold any comments. So basically this will allow all type of comments under your video. You have basic, hold potentially inappropriate comments. So scam comments, they're gonna be on hold, and then you're gonna have to simply approve them or not. Then you have strict, so hold a broader range of potentially inappropriate comments, and hold all. So if you select hold all, basically that means that any type of comments, you'll have to manually approve them. I usually go with basic, and basically that's all you have to do. Go back and then don't forget to tap on save in the top right corner, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.